The video by Mrwhosetheboss unboxes the iPhone 17, iPhone Air, and the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max along with new accessories. He mentions the iPhone 17's faster charging, noting it reached 26% in 10 minutes compared to the iPhone 16's 21%.
To 26% compared to the 16's 21%.
He runs performance stress tests, revealing the iPhone 17's A19 chip is around 30% faster than 16. However, iPhone Air's A19 Pro chip underperforms due to heat issues, scoring 26% lower than iPhone 17.
Which is almost 30% higher than what the 16 got.
For the iPhone 17 Pro models, he praises improved signal strength and cooling design, but finds the new 48 megapixels telephoto lens only a mild upgrade. The review highlights a mix of upsides and downsides of the iPhone 17 lineup. Well, that's around 15 minutes saved. See you next time.